Hi guys, welcome back to Spoiltoria channel. Now, I will give you tutorial how to block cookies on Chrome for Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So don't miss off our videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And let's start it. First of all, we go to the Chrome application that you happen to be downloaded. Click on, and after that you can click the three dots in the upper of the corner here, and you can click settings. After that you can scroll down until you find site settings. Here you can click on site settings, and you can click cookie. It's appear the cookie is allowed for cookies. Okay, click the cookies, and you see that you can block all cookies. Click until have the blue one color. Okay, and after that the cookies on Chrome is to be blocked. It's all of the cookies here. Okay, this is a tutorial how to block cookies on Chrome for Android. I hope this video is useful for you, and thank you.